Hey there, if you have decided you want to remove two-step verification from your Gmail account, I have got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to disable that extra layer of security in just a few easy steps. Let's get into it. First, open up your Gmail app. Once you are in, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and tap on Manage your Google account. Here, swipe to the left and tap on Security. Scroll down and you'll see Sign into Google. Here you can find two-step verification. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. To proceed, enter it. Once you have entered your password, tap on Next. Now tap on Turn off two-step verification. Google will confirm if you are sure you want to disable it. Tap on Turn off. And that's it, you have successfully removed the two-step verification from your Gmail account. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.